Welcome to the Milacron eStore. This new, powerful tool allows you to quickly order parts for all Milacron machine products, hot runners, mold bases, and industrial supplies from all the Milacron product brands, including Milacron injection and extrusion machines, mold masters, DME, and Ferromatic. The eStore can be viewed on Windows, Mac, and iOS devices. For the best experience, be sure that you are using one of these approved internet browsers. To get started, go to milacron.com. From there, select the eStore link in the top menu. This will take you to the Milacron eStore login page. Once you sign in, you will be able to access all product brands, including Milacron, DME, Mold Masters, and Ferromatic. This is the Milacron eStore home page. Let's take a quick look at the features available to you. If you are experiencing any issues at any time, notice any mistakes with the products, or wish to offer any suggestions, you can use the User Snap Feedback feature. In the bottom right corner of every page, you'll see a blue Feedback button. Here, you can provide information to Milacron on the issues you're having or the changes you'd like to see. In the lower corner is a message box where you can type your feedback and provide an email address where we can reach you if needed. If you want to annotate specific feedback on the screen, you can use the menu in the top left corner. With these tools, you can add text comments and use the pen tool to circle and highlight the areas you wish to bring to our attention. Once you've finished, click the Send button and a screen capture will be sent to the eStore development team along with your comments and annotations. Along the top, you'll see buttons for navigation as well as a search box for looking up specific part numbers, categories, or machines. The dynamic search function has a predictive feature for ease of use. To the right of this is the shopping cart. Much like other e-commerce sites, items added within the eStore will show up in your cart. Above this are quick links for contact information, language preference, and an overview of your account. You can also use this link to log out of the eStore website. Just below the promotional banner are quick links to some of the eStore's best sellers. Near the bottom, you'll see links for requesting quotes, as well as some ordering options. We'll review each of these later in the video. Let's begin with the process of finding and ordering parts within the Milacron eStore. There are a number of ways to find the parts you're looking for. If you know the part name, part number, category, or the corresponding machine, you can type it in here and press search. If there's a match, the search box will suggest items within the store that match your search criteria. Once you've hit enter or selected a suggested item, you will see all the results listed. You can filter those results by parts, product categories, or machines. You may see multiple results for very similar items. Click on the item that best describes what you're looking for. This takes you to the product page. Here, you can get additional details about the item, including images and specifications. You may also watch videos about the product, download documentation, and explore 360-degree views on applicable products. If you're ready to purchase the item, you can choose the quantity and then add it to your cart. When an item is added to your cart, the item will briefly pop up in the shopping cart to show you it has been added. If you need to add additional items to your order, you can continue shopping by using either the search box or use the navigation bar at the top of the page. At any time, you can return to the Milacron eStore home page by clicking on the Home button in the top menu or by clicking the Milacron logo in the top left-hand corner. We recommend that you use the internal navigation buttons to ensure that you do not lose any of your selections. As you continue to use the eStore, you'll see your shopping cart displays the number of items contained within. Another way to shop for items is to use the Shop for Parts button within your navigation bar. This will allow you to shop for your parts by brand: DME Europe and America, Ferromatic machines, Milacron machines, and Mold Masters hot runners and process control systems. You can choose the brand you wish to shop by clicking on either the main images in the center of the page or by using the corresponding menu on the left. Once you've selected which brand you wish to shop, you will be able to select the category of parts you need. From here, there may be additional subcategories to select. Click the subcategory that best describes what you're looking for. The eStore will then display all of the parts available within that category. Be sure to scroll to the bottom of the list to see if there are additional pages of results. Once you've found the item you're looking for, you can either add the quantity and then add to the cart, buy the item immediately, or get further information by clicking on the item. This will take you once again to the product page. When you're finished shopping, go to your shopping cart. If you're ready to complete your purchase, click Place Order, or if you'd like to receive a quote before proceeding, you can click Create Quote. We'll review the process for creating a quote later in this video. When you place your order, you will be asked to enter the customer information, PO number, the billing and shipping addresses, method of shipment, payment type, and shipping terms. You also have the option to add additional shipping instructions and reference information. Please note that some of the selections are based on the customer information you have set up and assigned to your account. If there are any last-minute items you'd like to add to your order, you can search for them here and add them directly without having to leave the final ordering page. If you need to add any additional information, there is a comment box below to add specific instructions, as well as an area to attach reference photos, PDFs, or other files needed to complete your order. Once you're ready, click the Review Order button. This gives you the opportunity to see your order at a glance, confirming the information you entered earlier. The graphic above shows your progress in the order process. If there are any changes needed, click the Edit button on the bottom left. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm Order button to complete your order. Your order is complete. Be sure to copy your order and reference numbers if needed. If you're ordering parts from multiple brands, you will repeat this process for every brand. If you need to see this in previous orders, you can select My Orders for a complete list. Here you can check the status of your orders or get details of orders placed at an earlier date. In a hurry? If you know the exact parts you're looking for, you can use the Quick Order feature. At the bottom of the screen, click the Quick Order link. First, select which product brand you wish to shop. Then, in the search box below, type in either the part number or a description of the part you wish to buy. Like the search box at the top of the page, the eStore will show a list of the items that match your search. Select the correct part from the list. Then, enter the quantity you wish to order and press Add to List. The item will then be added to your list of parts below. You can then add more parts to your list by repeating these steps. Once you're finished, click Add to Cart. The items will then be added to your cart and are ready for purchase. If you know all the parts you need and wish to do a bulk order, click Bulk Upload Parts from the bottom of the eStore website. To get started, download the Bulk Upload Template Excel file from the Bulk Upload page. Once it's downloaded, open this file in Microsoft Excel and fill in the part number, quantity, and then select the corresponding organization of the parts you wish to order. When finished, save the file and return to the eStore Bulk Upload page. Now press the Browse button and select the Excel file you just completed. Before you hit the Upload button, keep in mind that the items currently in your cart will be replaced by the items within your Excel file. Once uploaded, the eStore will transfer the items in your Excel file to the shopping cart. You can proceed with the order as usual. The Milacron eStore also allows you the option of requesting a quote before placing your order. You can do this either by adding the parts to your shopping cart and selecting Create Quote, or from the home page, you can select Request for Quote from the bottom links. Setting up a quote follows much of the same process as ordering from your shopping cart, with the added step of selecting the brands from which you wish to receive a quote. If you are selecting Create a Quote from the shopping cart, the brands will be pre-selected for you. With the brand selected, you will follow the same steps outlined within the place order process. Once again, you can add additional items to your quote and add attachments to assist in the quote process. As before, you'll have a chance to review and edit your quote before submitting. Upon completion, you will be given a quote reference number as well as an opportunity to view current as well as past quotes. Another great feature of the Milacron eStore is the Mold Configurator. Here, you can order custom mold components directly from DME to fit your workflow. First, select where you will be ordering the mold, DME Americas or DME Europe. Then, select whether you need to configure an A-Series or B-Series mold. Here is where you can input all of the specifics of the mold you need, such as dimensions of the plates, riser height, pin and bushing type, as well as their location. Below, you can view an interactive CAD rendering of your mold configuration. You can use this to view your mold from all angles and check for accuracy. If you need to make changes to your configuration, simply scroll to the top and make your changes. You can then click on the Update Preview button within the CAD rendering, and the geometry will redraw to reflect your changes. When you're ready, scroll back up to the top and select the Save button. This will allow you to save your configuration for quoting and purchasing. When finished, you can return to the home page by clicking the home icon in the top left corner. You can review and save your mold configurations by selecting the Configurator from the home page. Then select the brand from which you've set up your configuration. There, you'll see a listing of all the configurations you've created. You can order or make changes to these configurations by clicking on the name. If you need to order parts specific to a Milacron machine, you can also use the Machines tab to shop for both new and aftermarket components. To shop by machine, you can select from the machines listed, or you can search by division, serial number, reference, model, or customer name at the top. Once you've found the correct machine, you can view a bill of materials below the reference photo, as well as search for components using the menu on the left. With the correct component selected, you can shop for the parts within the component below. You can also view photos, documentation, and 360-degree renderings of the selected component by using the buttons above. Once you find the correct part, you can use the icons under the Action column to search for these parts within the eStore, as well as add them to your cart for purchase or quoting. Lastly, let's look at the Documents page. From the navigation bar, click the Documents button. This page allows you to download manuals, safety data sheets, and schematics of various Milacron parts. These documents can be searched by using the search box above or by navigating the menu on the left. When you've found the document you wish to download, choose the file format from the Download column to the right of the description. The file can then be saved to your hard drive where it can be viewed and printed. Thank you for using the Milacron eStore. If you have any issues with our site, please use the User Snap feature mentioned earlier in the video. If you need to contact customer support, click on the Contact Us button in the top right and select the product brand that's best served to help you. Or you can contact the eStore support team by emailing store@milacron.com.